smoked baby back ribs. 5 hours and 20 minutes on the East Oak smoker right there. The East Oak digital smoker, this thing is awesome. It's huge, it's spacious. We're gonna do some spare ribs and we're gonna fill up all these trays with some meat and we're gonna use the wood chip in here to keep it smoky with some apple flavor wood chips. So that's gonna happen, but first, let's preheat the smoker. So let me close this up right here. We're gonna turn this on by hitting the power button. Now that it's on, we're gonna set our temperature. So we wanna preheat to 225 right here. And we wanna preheat that for about 20 minutes, right here. 20 minutes, and then hit the timer one more time, boom, and now it's working. So we're just gonna let this thing preheat. It will cycle through and show us the current temperature is 84. It's gonna work its way up to 225, and we will be ready to put the meat in about 20 minutes. This thing beeps when the temperature is ready. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the water, and we're gonna put in some wood chips. So let's go ahead and open up the oven. And everything's really hot, so you have to be careful. We're gonna take out this right here and put some water in here. Max levels right there. We're just gonna fill it to max level. Whoa! Oops. All right, let's fill up to max level. That'd be good. There we go, our water is good. Now we're gonna fill up our wood chip. Open up the wood chip. All right, smoker box here. Take out the lid. All right, we're gonna fill this halfway with wood chip. We're using Weber wood chip right here. All right, we got our wood chip. That should be good. Let's put the lid on. Boom. There we go. Make sure to put the lid on. And then we can put the wood chip back on the side right here. Wood chip going back in. Boom. All right. Now we just do the fun part. We're gonna load up our meats. First tray, let's put in our meat. Oh yeah, right there. That's layer one. So it's pre-seasoned. We got the pre-seasoned meat. That way we just worry about smoking it. Boom. Let's get tray number two right here. I love how the trays are aluminum plated, so they are rust resistant. And I like that they don't fall out when you pull out the tray because they are hot. Boom, put it back in like that. Boom, next tray. Oh man, spare ribs right there. There we go. Next layer, last layer right here. Oh yeah, pre-seasoned spare ribs, ready to rock and roll for the smoker. All right, there we go. We're gonna close this up, latch it, like so, boom. And now we set our temperature. So the preheat is cycled through, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this back on, and we're gonna set the temperature to 225 now, right there, and we're gonna set this for 3 hours and 0 minutes. Boom, it's working now. So that's it. All right, so now this thing is gonna heat up and it's gonna cook for about 2 hours. After that, we're gonna take it out and wrap it in foil and then continue heating it. This smoker has chips that should last for 2 to 3 hours, so it should be good. Wow, look at that smoke. Can you guys see that smoke? It's smoking there. That's good. So while it's starting to smoke, you wanna just go ahead and open the vent to full. Right now, it's closed, so I wanna open the vent as much as possible because there's so much smoke. This thing is doing such a good job. I want the vent open so to get a lot of the smoke out because it's smoking the meat right now. It's doing a great job. We're gonna let this continue. It's gonna be awesome. 5 hours and 20 minutes, it's done cooking. The smoker isn't too hot, which I like. I mean, it's warm, but it's not terribly hot. So just in case you were curious, does it get really hot? It's a little bit more hotter near the wood chip here. The back is a little bit warmer. But anyway, that's just FYI. Here we go, 5 hours and 20 minutes. Are you ready to see what we got? Boom, whoa! Oh, that smells good. Ooh, there we go. Wow, oh, so soft. Whew. I got my baby back ribs. There's one. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so soft, so tender, so juicy. Infused with apple wood chip. Oh, look at this, so soft. Oh, I think it's gonna fall apart. Look, I think it's gonna fall apart. This one is so ready to fall off the bones. I mean, look at that. That's what we're going after, right? That's what we want, right there. Oh, it's just falling off. Wow, that is so soft. Oh my gosh, look at that. There we go. Now that's what we call some baby back ribs. There we go, guys. Electric smoker from East Oak. Delicious. Baby back ribs right here. 5.5 hours. Smoked to perfection. This thing is awesome. Perfect for a family gathering, and the experience is like no other. To have the smoke and to see the meat come out like this, that is an experience that we are going to enjoy time after time. So, what does it taste like? Well, smelling it, you can definitely smell that it is smoked infused with the apple wood chip for sure. Tenderness-wise, course, it's been cooking for 5.5 hours. It's very soft and very tender. And the water does make it steam up and keep that moisture into the meat. So it's a digital smoker. So the nice thing about that is that I didn't have to worry about charcoal or starting a fire. I literally plugged it in and pressed start while I set the temperature and timer and set start. The easiest smoking experience ever. And now, the most importantly, how does it taste? So very soft and tender. So you can taste the apple smoky infused. It's just the right amount. It doesn't take away from the rest of the baby back rib. Everything is perfect. I don't know how else to say it, but it's really, really good. And you cannot get this kind of flavor out of your own oven inside your home. This is something that you need to have a smoker to do. And this is fantastic. Really, really good. Really good.